to introduce and give him a brief few minutes. He said he only needed 45 or 50 minutes. I'm kidding. But the mayor of San Francisco, Edwin Lee, is here. Please join me in welcoming him to Web 2. Welcome. Thank you very much for coming by.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to San Francisco. And I want to thank all of you for being here. If I may say, I've got 2 more weeks to say this, so let me say it very clearly. Welcome to the World Series champion, City County of San Francisco. 2 more weeks. You know, it's a great testament for Web 2.0 to be here for the 8th time. And I want to welcome the summit back. It's your decision to bring this back every year for the last 8 years. And it just goes to say and prove that we are leading the world in technology. Just last month, a report was released ranking San Francisco the #1 annual growth of high-tech jobs, and this growth isn't slowing at all. Last week, I welcomed Idle Games, Kiva, Pivotal Labs to their new headquarters on Howard Street in a building that leased 93,000 square feet of its space to tech companies that plan to employ over 625 employees and people. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. According to a recent real estate report, there are 40 technology companies all currently looking for 2 million square feet of office space right here in San Francisco. To put this in perspective, this is an equivalent to 4 Transamerica pyramids worth of space. San Francisco has over 1,500 tech companies that employ over 27,000 employees. I'm committed to ensuring that San Francisco remains at the center of the tech industry, and that's why I've worked to pass the central market payroll tax exclusion, signed the payroll tax exclusion on stocks, and have reached out extensively to tech CEOs to understand what more we can do to help. I've also committed to a wholesale review of our tax policy to develop more equitable alternatives that do not punish job creation, the very job growth that we rely on for these industries. In addition, we're working hard to find other ways to interact with technology. Our city is the first city in the nation to pass open data legislation. San Francisco has been a leader in open government, allowing the community to create over 60 applications based upon this data. And just this summer, our Department of Technology hosted hackathons that issued and resulted in the development of 23 apps involving 500 participants and generating over 10,000 hours of civic engagement. By the way, I want to present one challenge to you. You know, we are a congested city. We have event after event, and in 2 years, we're going to host America's Cup, one of the largest events we've ever held in this city. And over 500,000 people will visit the city on any given day during that period of time. Well, a challenge. One of the complaints I hear the most is that people get their cars towed away when they're parked in the wrong place. And it costs them not only about $300 to $500 for that episode, but it leaves them with the worst taste in their mouth because they were here to celebrate, whether it was a dinner or an event. And so I want to challenge your applications today. Find me a solution. If we can give you the data so that there could be some handheld device that can pre-warn somebody that their car is about to be towed or they're parked in a tow-away zone in the city, we can save a lot of people from having a disappointment in their lives. I want to challenge you to that, and we'll work on that data in the next months to come out, release the data, and then you can go at it and help us resolve one of the biggest problems we have, which is parking and tow-away zones. How about that? Can you help us do it? All right. Well, by ensuring that San Francisco's business policies allow for and encourage job growth, and by staying at the forefront on ideas such as open government, I'm confident that our city will continue to be the place where entrepreneurs and innovators in the technology field flock to us as a place where you want to start your business, you want to stay, and you want to grow. And I want you to know, we want you here to start, to stay, and to grow. Thank you very much for holding your summit here. Appreciate your presence, and keep staying here and growing here with us. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I am really looking forward to getting a text when I'm about to get a ticket.
All right, thank you.
Because I get a lot of tickets. If you just want to step back here, we can take care of that.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much, Mayor.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. I mean, it's great when you have a theme to the conference.